Ever wondered what it's like to step into the shoes of a rental property owner? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes for an exclusive look at the thrilling life of a rental property owner. Hey there, savvy viewers! You won't believe the roller coaster ride that awaits. Get ready to experience, behind the scenes, a day in the life of a rental property owner, the good, the bad, and the profitable. Subheading 1. Morning hustle begins. It all starts with a cup of coffee and a mountain of rental applications. Choosing the perfect tenant? That's the name of the game. The meticulous selection process ensures a peaceful community for everyone. Subheading 2. Hands-on maintenance. Time to get those hands dirty. From fixing leaks to giving the walls a fresh coat of paint, a rental property owner's job is never boring. Investing in maintenance keeps the value soaring and tenants smiling. Subheading 3. Unexpected twists. Life in the property world is full of surprises. Sometimes, it's a leaky roof right before a storm. Other times, it's a surprise visit from adorable furry friends. Adaptability is key in the rental property kingdom. Subheading 4. Maximizing profits. Let's talk money. From smart pricing strategies to cutting-edge amenities, we're here to turn those investments into solid gold. Strategic planning turns rental properties into thriving money-making machines. Phew! That's just a sneak peek into the thrilling life of a rental property owner. Ready to dive into this world of opportunities? Stay tuned for more exclusive journeys behind the scenes.